my God, you're right. Box for my hand to grab.
You know how beat up this shit probably was on the way here?
Oh my God, so what mine was. Mine was broken.
Already better.
Already better than mine. I don't want to break that. If we break this right now, we're fine. Ooh, look at that beauty.
For now, look, I can lick it.
Oh no!
No, but no, I'll peel it later.
Oh. Are you gonna lick it on the normal glass? Because that would be trademark Alec.
Possibly.
Possibly?
I mean,
it's not my property.
Fluids.
You don't know where that's been.
China?
Probably. But
damn, this thing actually look. Dude, this thing's heavy. That's the most basic box I've ever fucking seen.
yeah. No, it looks like something you see at Home Depot for like outside.
It's like, yeah, like a light.
Yeah.
Well, we didn't buy a fucking computer frame. We just bought a fucking light that goes outside.
I gotta record all this shit.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna look back on this.
Hello, future Alec. You may have regretted this because your music career just went. Okay, that's it. Or your lack of fucking knife skills. I got a butter knife.
That's a nice knife.
So
ooh, there, everything's in here. SSD. Nice.
A little
premium.
Beat up, a little beat up.
It's okay though. This box got beat up a little bit.
Hey, feel this. Feel this box.
Ooh.
It's not like a normal box. It's like made of plastic. It's not made of.
No, I mean that's what I'd expect from a fucking $240 motherboard. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's small.
What?
This SSD, I thought it would be a little bit bigger. That's a lot smaller than I thought.
Bitch, let me open shit. I'm bleeding.
Oh.
He's real as J. Cole. Look how thick that is.
Damn. It's metal. It's not plastic, because mine's plastic. $9,700K.
Yay!
Yeah. Yep, and lift up. Now that just pops out. So now, pop the CPU right in there. There. Should be it. Put it back down.
You sure?
I'm telling you.
Candy mints.
Still. I ran out of actual mints.
And then this thing just pops off.
Yep. So now the CPU's in place.
It's getting pretty cluttered.
Clutter.
I tried looking clean up this mess I made.
It's a
Blue world. I forgot about that one. We're gonna need an I/O shield to pop in there. Unless that's its own I/O shield in there.
That looks like an IO
These thermal fans. This having a drill actually really fucking helps. Holy shit.
Electric sugar.